Hey guys, I'm not sure whether you remember, last year after my Fraser trip I had an underbody rust protection done in Fraser, which to be honest was awesome. However, you need to touch it up once a year and there's no one around here. So not really convenient for me. I'm just about to head out to Fraser again and was looking for a different solution to help a little bit with the salt on Fraser Island, even though I don't drive really through salt water whenever I can avoid that. However, when researching on the internet I found Lanox, and they were kind enough to send me some of their products to test. So let's have a look what I have here. That is open. So what I have is Lanox, which is a lanolin based kind of lubricant and anti-corrosion protection. So what I'm planning to do is driving the cruiser on my wheel ramps, so it's a little bit up. Then I have these application bottles, put some of that stuff in there and then spray my whole underbody with these lanolin. It's important to do that a few days before you actually hit the sand or salt. So we probably still, it's Tuesday now, so we're still 5 days away, 6 days away. So that should give it enough time to dry. So that's going to be the job for now. Yeah guys, I've just applied all the Lanox to the vehicle. By the way, Lanox is made by Enochs, so you probably know the Enochs lubricant a bit better than WD-40, I reckon. And this is their lanolin based heavy duty anti-corrosion agent and lubricator. So it looks all pretty good. When you spray it, it is very drippy, so I definitely recommend not doing that on a driveway, but rather on the grass. So I swapped after the first can and went on the grass here. Yeah, when you spray it, it really forms a good coating, but it definitely drips and drops on the ground. And you obviously want to apply that pretty generously. So I reckon I used around 2.5 liters now for the car. And I hope that will work. So stay tuned and I'm going to update you after the Fraser trip.